Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are unboxing a CELINE bag today. I don't get many of these in, so I'm super excited to have a look at it. Full disclosure guys, this is not one of my bags. This is a bag that one of my girlfriends got in. She bought and ordered this bag. However, because I haven't done an unboxing with this bag before, I thought it was a great opportunity to do so. She offered to lend it to me so I could do this video. So thank you very much to my beautiful girlfriend, Catherine. All right, let's get right into it. This is the very famous CELINE, oh, I can't get it out, belt nano bag. Belt bag, nano belt bag. Don't know the proper name, but you guys know the one I'm talking about. This one has the belt strap across here, and then there's actually like a magnetic closure that closes the flap down. This is in the cream color, guys. It is looking quite white on screen, but just bear that in mind that it is in the cream color. It's actually really beautiful. It's in the 20 centimeter size. I really think this is a great bag for traveling or on the weekend. It has that relaxed vibe that I absolutely love. Let's talk about the details. There is no visible step in the strap, which is amazing. The stitching is all on point, as well as the leather in this textured finish. The back looks like that. There is no pocket at the back, but there are the most tiniest clips I have ever seen that also say CELINE. I'm convinced, guys. The only thing is, this is very long. This strap here is very long and it kind of hangs down. There's also the handle that sort of comes through the flap at the top. And as mentioned before, there is a shoulder strap that is also adjustable, so you can make this crossbody and you can make it a short shoulder strap if you wanted. This size is super cute, guys. I was thinking that maybe this size was too small, but it's definitely not. It's really cute, really, really cute. It's just one big bucket compartment. There is no pocket at the back or zipper pocket or anything. It's just one opening. So I would definitely consider buying an insert, and you could definitely get one on Samorga. They would definitely have this style. There's also a zipper closure, which I will close up. The quality of this bag feels really, really nice, I have to say. Just handling it, it's a really, really nice. I'm just gonna pop that in so that doesn't stick out like so. Just slipped that zipper in, and it is also a little bit open on the side. So just keep that in mind if you're tipping this bag upside down, that a lipstick or something could possibly come out of there. So just be careful. But this is really, really nice. I am quite impressed. And I have to say, guys, I don't give CELINE enough of a shout out. Their bags are beautiful. They're really timeless, elegant bags that you could have forever. They're so simple in their design, which is what makes them so elegant and timeless. They don't have big, glary logos. I am starting to really fall in love with this brand, and I'm wanting more and more of their items in my collection. Mainly because I feel like they would last forever in terms of not just the quality, but the style. You know, the style will last from season to season, be really trans-seasonal as well. This is super cute, guys. It's not as small as it kind of looks. If I compare it to the mini flap, the mini flap is a lot smaller. You can see there. So it's bigger than the mini flap. And I will also compare it to the Lady Dior. the Lady Dior in the small size, this is a 20 centimeter bag and this is a 20 centimeter bag. So you can kind of see they're very similar in size, but I would go to say that this would fit a lot more purely because of the functionality of the bucket style and the opening flap. It sort of opens a lot more, whereas this one doesn't open as much and is quite tricky to get in. See, the opening of this is small, whereas the opening of this one is so big, right? Really, really functional bag. Absolutely love it. I just wish there was more pockets, but that's nothing an insert can't fix. I would even recommend it because there's like a suede, you know, a micro suede type of leather. No, it looks like a suede leather on the inside. So yeah, it just says made in Italy at the back. Absolutely love it. I'll have to have a think whether I want this size or whether I want a bigger size. I will be giving this one back to my girlfriend tomorrow after I filmed it, but I think this has sold me. I think I want to get this in a really interesting color, and because I do have a white bag coming, stay tuned. So I don't think, and I've got it in a very similar size to this, so I don't want to get another white bag in a similar size, if that makes sense. So, and I think that one's a cream as well. It's not like a white. So yeah, super cute. The bottom looks like so. No feet, so you do have to be careful when you're putting it on surfaces. However, it is that scratch resistant leather, so I wouldn't be so concerned about that. And then there's also CELINE Paris here, which is absolutely beautiful. Such a simple, elegant bag, guys, and a really great relaxed weekend bag, I think. I'm going to pull it back so you guys get a better idea on the size. Putting it closer to the camera just makes it look really big. So I will show you this against my frame so you can get a gauge of the size. As mentioned, this is the 20 centimeter size. Really, really gorgeous. I will put the strap on the shoulder. I won't adjust it. For your reference, this is on the longest setting, so it can't get any longer than what it's on now. So I will wear this on the shoulder, and I will wear it crossbody so you guys can see how short it comes, bearing in mind that it can be shortened even more. There you go. What do you guys think of the CELINE Nano belt bag? Have you guys been considering this bag? This has been around for a while, this style. It must be a classic style for CELINE, so it doesn't look like it's going anywhere anytime soon. And it comes in a multitude of colors. So if you want something colorful, if you wanted something pastel, if you wanted something neutral, they pretty much have them all. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.